Alright, Tesla fam, let's get straight to it, guys. So today I'm going to show you how to set up your Tesla mobile key, guys. So first things first, guys, you want to actually download the Tesla app, okay? If you haven't already, then make sure to download the Tesla app on your smartphone. It's available on both iOS and Android. And then, guys, you want to sign in to your Tesla account. Just open the app and sign in using your Tesla account credentials. They should be the same account that you used to purchase your vehicle, okay? Next, guys, what you want to do is enable Bluetooth, okay? Enable Bluetooth, guys. And make sure that your phone's Bluetooth is turned on. This is very, very, very crucial. I am emphasizing this is crucial for connecting your mobile key to your Tesla, guys. And then once you're signed in, guys, what you're gonna do is tap on controls in the app and then navigate to the key section, okay? Go to safety and then turn on allow mobile access, okay? Turn this on, okay? Make sure you turn this on, okay? And then basically on your phone, you want to go to controls in the app and then navigate to the key section. Here you'll actually find options related to your mobile key setup. Then, guys, you want to look for the option that says add mobile key, okay? You'll see that option, add mobile key. You want to tap on it, and then the app will prompt you to confirm your vehicle. Select your Tesla from the list if prompted, okay? Now, guys, you actually want to take your phone and hold it near the center console of your Tesla. This action, guys, basically it initiates the pairing process, guys, okay? It initiates the pairing process, and then, guys, you will see a notification on the app confirming that your mobile key has been successfully added. You may also get a confirmation on your vehicle's display. And to make sure everything works, guys, lock and unlock your Tesla using the app, or just simply walk up to your car with your phone. If it unlocks automatically, congratulations, you have set up your mobile key, guys. And that's it, guys. You're all set to enjoy the convenience of using your smartphone as a key for your Tesla. For more ways to upgrade your ride even further, guys, check that link in the description. Make sure you subscribe